the Honorable Minister for State, respected Secretary, Information and Broadcasting, Director Sanka, Dr. Sridhar, all of you representatives from the community radio stations, experts who have come from abroad as well as who have come from various parts of the country, panelists, representatives from media, I welcome each and every one of you. And I just wanted to say a few words. Sir, this conference is an opportunity. This is the second conference. The first conference we had organized in April last year. This gives us an opportunity to take stock of what we have been able to achieve, what progress we have been able to make in the field of community radio movement in India, and what we have not been able to do. So this is really a medium, it is a forum where we thrash out issues, and I wanted to tell you that from the morning 10 o'clock we are discussing, and already very important solutions have come forward, which we will take it to the ministry and we should be able to implement it. Today in this conference we have people not only from India, but we also have our experts who are sitting here with us from UK, USA, Australia and South Africa. And we have a session with them tomorrow, and we hope to learn a lot from the global experiences and try and see whether we can have some kind of an exchange of ideas, an exchange of platforms to develop further. This year, the National Sammelan is unique, sir, because first time National Community Awards have been introduced in 5 thematic areas. And I'm sure that all community radio managers, operators, people who are responsible for the stations, they would feel inspired, they would feel motivated to work harder in this. These awards would definitely inspire all of you. Though, sir, we have taken a lot of initiatives, we have kind of expedited the permission process and all that, we still have a long way to go. We have several areas in the country where we have not been able to establish community radio stations. The stations wherever have come up are also very few in number, and I hope that from now on the community radio movement grows from strength to strength. I once again take this opportunity to welcome the Honorable Minister, who has been a pillar of support, a pillar of strength for us, and has always supported any action as far as the field of community radio is concerned. Someone who has been with us for a long time in this field, someone who has motivated us, someone who has inspired us, and someone who has pushed us to reach new heights and reach new goals and take new initiatives is our Secretary, Information and Broadcasting, Mr. Uday Kumar Verma. Sir, I would like to welcome. I would like to first welcome the Minister with a bouquet of flowers and then Secretary with a bouquet of flowers.
Community radio movement in India is not a very old movement. The first guidelines, the government guidelines on community radio came out in the year 2000, which was subsequently amplified in 2006. And in 2006, for the first time, we actually encouraged NGOs to really get into this initiative. Post 2006, it's my understanding that the community radio movement has gathered momentum. I understand that we have now 126 community radio stations which are operational, and around 300 more which have been given permission to start the operations, but are in the process of setting up the infrastructure. And hopefully next 6 months or 1 year, or maybe a little more than that, roughly 450 community radio stations will be operational in India. If you take the base in the year 2007 or 2008, you will say that the growth has actually been very spectacular. 4 times or 5 times. The last 2 years actually it has had a 200% growth. It's very commendable, and I must congratulate the team in the ministry led by Joint Secretary. I have had the pleasure of associating this kind of an activity when I was Additional Secretary in the ministry roughly a year and a half ago. And I think at that point of time, I came to know about this field of activity a little better. And now, as Secretary, I think in the last 2 years, there has been a very, very significant progress. But if you look at the total requirement of the country, look at the area of the country, look at the population of the country, then the density of community radio stations in comparison to the population that this country has, we perhaps need to cover much more ground. And I am very confident that the way we are moving in this direction, in the way the response has been from the stakeholders, I would not be very surprised that in the next 5-year period, that is right by 2017, let's say, we should have anything between 2,000 to 5,000 community radio stations in the country. Well, to say that community radio system, this particular kind of stream of propagation of information, even entertainment, is very unique, is merely underlying something which is very commonly known. To my mind, I think the most important distinction between other means of propagation as you have, like FM radio stations or any radios, and community radio station is the fact that while media actually manipulates people, and I am not using manipulation in a derogatory sense, it's a very, very correct sense of this thing, of the word. In the community radio stations, it's the people actually who manipulate media.